You too.
Let's go fishing.
There.
Oh wow, that is a lot clearer. We've been here for how long? 30 seconds?
I don't even know if it was that long.
Yes, sir. Alex has caught the first bass.
Hit it once, came right back. We're out here, undisclosed location. I'm not telling you guys where we're at.
If you live in Michigan, though, you might know. But all right, let's see if I can catch something.
We're out here, obviously, second cast, second fish of the day. We're going with silver bass, #1 of the day, #2 on the year. They're coming in. Should be next good few weeks here.
All right, now I need to get my stuff. He's just hooked up with number 3, 3, 4, 3.
Alright, so we're out here again, obviously, Lake Saint Clair. 3 casts, 3 fish. And the cool thing is, we've caught a largemouth, a silver, and a smallie. 3 casts, 3 fish, baby. That's what I'm talking about.
Alright, now I actually need to get my stuff hooked up because I lost one of my lures yesterday and forgot to re-hook up all my stuff. Alright, so we're leaving this spot. Let's go off to our next spot now.
Make sure you put that on the camera.
What's up, guys? New location. Got this nice smallie. Gorgeous one. Let's see if I can catch some more.
Yeah.
Alright, guys, we're at spot number 3. Let's see if we can catch anything here. I haven't caught anything yet, but there's snook coming over. I have no idea if that's in the sun. Well, that's going to do it for us. I caught 2 fish, 2 smallmouth bass. How many bass did you catch?
5.
He caught 5, so, and that was 1 silver bass, right?
2 silvers.
2 silvers, 3 smallies.
Well, no, 2 smallies, 2 silvers, 1 largemouth.
Oh, yeah, I forgot about the largemouth. But, yeah, so we're going to call it a night. Second day out in a row. Hopefully this video is a bit better than yesterday's one, because I got a bit more fish today, but let's roll.